Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we free ourselves from all the cages we may have built. Thank you for being here today. Take a moment to sink into this sacred space, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. When you're ready, close your eyes. Breathe deep into your belly. Let it expand. Exhale slowly, as if you are sighing out lifetimes of tension. Again, inhale fully. Exhale completely. Feel your body supported by the earth. Notice the safety of this moment. Nothing to do, nowhere to be, but here. Whisper silently to yourself, I am safe to see what I have built. I am safe to be free. Bring awareness to your feet. Feel them heavy and rooted. Up through your legs, hips, belly, chest, throat, and head. Scanning your body slowly. Notice where you feel open, where you feel closed, where there is light, and where there is tension. Breathe light into the tight spaces. Breathe warmth into the cold. Especially notice your solar plexus, your center of power. And notice your throat, your center of expression. These two centers will guide us today. Imagine yourself walking through a golden desert at dusk. The sand glows like embers. The sky melts into purples and deep oranges. Up ahead, you see a golden cage, shimmering in and fading light. At first glance, it is beautiful. The bars glisten. The door is carved with intricate designs. It feels safe, familiar, even comforting. Step closer. Place your hand on the bars. Notice the cool metal, the weight of it. This is the cage you built for yourself. Every bar is made from something you thought would protect you. a role you played, a comfort you clung to, a belief you thought was truth. Walk around the cage. See the carvings more clearly. On one bar, the expectations of others. On another, your own perfectionism. Another still, survival patterns. Another, a fear of being too much or not enough. Pause and breathe. Let each bar reveal itself to you. Notice without judgment. Just be aware. Step inside the cage now. Feel how familiar it is. The cushions, the soft blanket, the gold. This is not punishment. This was your sanctuary. It kept you safe when the world felt unsafe. But also notice the weight in your chest, the ache in your throat, the longing to stretch wider than these walls, the knowing that safety without freedom is another form of prison. Whisper, "Thank you for protecting me. I see you, but I am ready to be more." Place your hands on your solar plexus. Feel the fire there, the ember that never went out. Begin to breathe into it. Inhale, stoke the flame. Exhale, let the heat expand. With every breath, the fire grows. Golden light radiates through your body. Now bring your hand to your throat. Breathe into the tightness. Imagine your throat glowing with blue light, vibrating with truth. Feel the connection. Solar plexus to throat, fire to voice. Now see that energy moving outward, a blue flame. The bars of the cage begin to tremble. Light pours through, and the golden bars begin to melt. With your next exhale, roar or sigh or hum. Let the sound move through your throat. Your sound is the key. Your fire is the freedom. One by one, the bars dissolve, and the entire golden cage is reduced to molten metal on the ground beneath you, sinking into the desert sand where it is returned to the earth to be alchemized, and you are free. The desert is vast. The stars are emerging. The air is alive. Spread your arms wide, stretch your body. Move however you need. Let your shoulders roll, your chest open. Let your hips sway. This is your body remembering freedom. Now imagine walking barefoot through the sand. Every step forward, your energy field expands. See yourself bathed in golden light, no longer trapped but radiating sovereignty. Whisper, I am free to live. I am free to receive. I am free to be me. Let these truths sink into your bones. Breathing deeply in and out. Returning your awareness to your breath. Return to your body sitting here now. Notice the floor beneath you, the air on your skin, the rhythm of your lungs. Place your hands on your heart and whisper, I honor the cage that kept me safe. I honor my choice to be free. I honor the life I am creating now. Only you remain, radiant, sovereign, alive. Take 3 deep belly breaths, and when you are ready, open your eyes. You are free. Namaste.